Holy shit! No! Standard, just so many stones on the road. Gorgeous. Turbo, guys, the sound of these cars is just awesome, 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 awesome. For a 1.4, it's just crazy. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a nice car, such a nice sounding little purr, such good quality. It's one thing I noticed. I used to have like a Hyundai Getz, basically a 1.4 litre, no turbo, just straight pop the thing, and it sounded horrible, like tin tin tin. That's the difference with these cars. Obviously it's got a turbo, but just the sound, it's just something in that engineering. I'm telling you, that what these Italians have done, just something in it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the turbo itself that gives it a profound sound. I don't know. If anybody knows, please let me know. But it's just that the pattern, and this is why I say to some people, it sounds like the pudder of a V8, you know, when it's in that idle state and it's just wob 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 wob. If you can listen, I swear it's the same, it's just obviously half. For those of you who thought I forgot about the mandatory taster, that guy's laughing at me, he just saw me do that. Oh, sometimes it's so embarrassing making content. Anyways. Alright, same thing as the other day. See who's got the Thank you, by the way, to the gentleman who reminded me that basically my car, if it got stolen and I left the keys in it, would not be covered. And it's just common sense, really. So my bad. I just, I don't like stopping and starting my engine. You know what I mean? So last night I took a mate of mine for a drive, right? And they've never really been in an Abarth 595 before. I tend to get a lot of these reactions, as I've said to you guys. Like, I just keep getting these reactions from people that the car is very unassuming. So people will see it like a Fiat, or like a Fiat 500, because it is a Fiat, and then they'll always, you know, be under the impression that it performs and drives and moves the same. And yeah, you could never be more wrong. Like, these cars, for those of you who own them, who've driven them, you will know, like, they're just absolute weapons, you know what I mean? They are absolute weapons. So good, such a unique sounding car. Anyways guys, we're at the gym, gonna hit up a little sesh, and then we will see you later. Stay tuned. Woo-woo. Alrighty guys, whilst we have the last cold start of the day in this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much to those of you who have stuck around to watch the video and a day in the life of what it's like to own one of these absolute beauties of a car. If you haven't already guys, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. As always, lekker. Bye.